Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English Podcast. I'm Charlotte.
And I'm Christopher. Today we're talking about 10 bad habits that ruin your English, and of course, how to fix them.
Whether you're learning English for school, travel, or just for fun, these habits might be secretly slowing down your progress.
1. Translating from your native language. If you're always thinking in your own language and then translating into English, stop right there.
It makes your sentences sound unnatural. Instead, learn phrases and think directly in English. 2. Relying too much on subtitles. Watching shows with subtitles can help.
But if you only read the subtitles and don't listen, your ears won't improve.
Try switching to English subtitles or no subtitles at all.
3. Using filler words too much. Like, these words are okay sometimes, but too many?
They make you sound unsure. Try pausing instead. It sounds more confident. 4. Being afraid of making mistakes. This one's big. If you're always scared of saying something wrong, you'll never speak.
Remember, making mistakes is how we learn. Even native speakers mess up. 5. Learning only grammar rules. Don't get stuck in grammar books forever.
Balance grammar with real practice. Speaking, listening, writing. Use English in real life. 6. Memorizing lists without context. Lists of vocabulary are helpful, but if you don't use the words in sentences,
You'll forget them fast. Always learn words in context, with phrases or examples. 7. Not practicing speaking English. Many learners listen and read a lot, but avoid speaking.
even if you're shy, try speaking out loud every day, into a mirror or with a friend. 8. Comparing yourself to others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Don't compare your English with someone else's.
Compare yourself to where you were yesterday. That's real progress. 9. Using limited vocabulary. Always saying very good, very bad, or nice.
Challenge yourself. Say excellent, terrible, lovely, delicious. Expand your vocabulary. 10. Quitting too soon. English takes time. If you give up after one bad test or awkward conversation,
You'll never reach fluency. Keep going. Be patient with yourself.
so how many of these habits you have? Be honest.
And don't worry, we all have a few. The good news, you can change them starting today.
If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
And keep practicing English with us right here on Speak English Podcast.
Until next time, keep learning and keep shining.
Yeah.